As a wedding planner, an event designer, and a lifestyle expert, my job is to tell my client's story through my eyes. It's to interpret their life, the way that they live, and the way that they see the world, and then give it back to them through a new lens, which is so exciting for me because it means that every time I work, I get to do something different, because ultimately, my client, their vision, the world that they want to live in, that's my driving inspiration. That's my muse. And so we are here today at Alynne and Mick's beautiful estate, doing a lot of work with space, the discovery of space, the theater of design, the way that you discover a room and the way that things unfold. And it's been magic because I'm getting to work with some really unique colors, textures, and patterns, things that I don't typically get to play with. And so I'm sharpening my toolbox. I want to bring you in. I want to give you a little bit of a hint of what their guests are going to experience. They're going to walk up these very thick, wide steps that are flanked with flowers and greenery. They're going to push open the door. They are going to walk through these explosions of colors and flowers and greens. The goal wasn't to be over the top glamorous, which is normally my style. I really love the crystal, the gold, the lights, all of those things. But this client doesn't live like that. This client lives in a European style villa house. We have a lot of stone, we have a lot of wood. I wanted to embrace that. I wanted to tell an appropriate story for the venue, which is their home. I wanted to respect the integrity of the space, and I really wanted to make sure that we just punched it up a little bit. Cut and Taste is here. They have spent a year, believe it or not, a full year curating this menu, adjusting the risotto, adjusting the sauce, making sure that we had the right wine in the right glass with the right fork. There's not one detail that has been overlooked at this wedding. Beautiful at-home location. Color that just explodes and is going to jump out in all of the pictures. A couple that loves their life together, that loves being at home, that loves celebrating. These are magnificent people who lead a larger than life experience. And when your life is so big sometimes, the things that really matter, you want to tip the scale and you want to keep it small. You want to keep it intimate. We are going to have less than 35 people here with us today. And so if you are one of the very, very lucky people that have been invited into their home, that have been invited into their lives, and you get to bear witness to something like this, that matters. That means something. It means that you've been a part of their past, their present, and that they want to continue having you in their life in the future. I personally am so lucky and so honored that they chose me, that they welcomed me and all of our teams, and we are next level excited to do this for them. So Alynne and Mick, thank you very much for choosing me. I love this house, I love this design, and I love the fact now more than ever, we are getting to celebrate life luxury, and above all else, love the way that you want to celebrate it. And if you leave tonight with a smile on your face, then I have done my job. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you are on the lookout for Alynne and Mick's full wedding highlight reel from M Place Pro, and we will see you guys again soon.